Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Frostbite from the Heroes of Goo-Jitsu show. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video today. Now, to begin with Yeti, we're going to start in about the middle of our paper, but we're going to go up a little bit. I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve down, and that's going to curve up and down like this. Now starting here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to curve down, and I'm going to go over and down a little bit more. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out, and it's going to come up. Now right here, I'm going to make a bigger one that's going to go down and up like this. You want to add a small little dot for a pupil here, and then a small little dot for a pupil over here. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up, and then a little line that goes down, just to kind of show where the nose would be. Starting over here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come up at an angle, and then it's going to come right back down like this. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that just goes up and down for like a sad face. Right here, you want to draw a line that goes up and down for a tooth, and one more right here, and make a little line that goes straight across. Down here, I'm going to add one big tooth like this. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that curves up. It's going to come down, and then it's going to go up and down again for the eyebrows. Starting under here, I'm going to make a little sad face. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up, and one more like this for a little goatee. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up, and one more right here. I'm going to do the same thing over here, down and up, and then one more right there. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes up like this, and another one that goes up like this. I'm going to curve this line up and down. Another one that goes up and down like this. And one more just like that for the top of the head. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down and in. And do the same thing over here. Go out, down, and in. For this horn, you're going to draw a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come to a rounded point, and it's going to come back down like this. You can see it's a lot skinnier up here and a lot fatter down here. This one over here, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to curve up like this. Then starting in here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curl around and come back, just so it looks like it's at a different angle. Starting here, I'm going to draw a couple little pointy lines, and I'm going to make a line that goes out. And I'll do the same thing over here, a couple pointy lines and a little line that goes down. I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. I'm going to make a little point, and I'll bring this one down even farther. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up. And then it's time for the hands. Starting here, you want to draw a little line that's going to curve around. It's going to go down and come up like this for a thumb. You want to make a line that's going to go around. It's going to come down and over like this, and then draw a little line right here. I'm going to make another one that goes down, over, and up, and then one more like this. Next, I'm going to make a little line that goes down, or curves up, and then another one that comes right to the thumb. Starting here, I'm going to add a couple little pointy lines, and I'm going to draw the hand over here. This time the thumb is going to be on the top, so we're going to make like a rectangle shape with rounded corners. Right here I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down, over, and then up. Another one's going to go down, over, and up, and one more right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then comes right to here for the hand. Starting here, I'm going to draw some pointy lines that go down. And I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make some pointy little lines. Starting here, I'm going to make some lines that just go down like this. And I'll do the same thing over here. And then just connect that line. Starting here, draw a little line across. I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up for the top of the shorts. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to come down. Same thing over here, out and down. For the foot, I'm going to draw a line that goes down like this. It's going to come over, go down again for another toe, and then I'm going to go out and then down again, and I'm going to bring this all the way over here. Same thing over here, we're going to go out and down, bring it over. We're going to go down at an angle and then down a little farther, and one more time like this, and then bring it all the way over. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and in. Do the same thing here, up and then in. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that goes right across here to bring it together. We want to draw a little line that goes down here, and another little line right here. Right across here, I'm going to add some zigzag lines for the bottom of the foot, and do the same thing on this side. Right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to curve down, back up, and then come down here. I'm going to make a little line that goes across for the chest, and then a little line that goes up and down like this for some detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Yeti from the Heroes of Goo-Jitsu, or I should say Frostbite from the Heroes of Goo-Jitsu. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.